Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to freeze and hold a frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your project. Now move the playhead to the exit frame you want to freeze. This could be a pose, action or a moment, anything you want to hold still. Next, right click on your clip and select Add Frame Hold. And just like that, Premiere Pro freezes that frame from the point forward. If you want that single still frame without the rest of clip, right click again and choose Insert Frame Hold Segments. This creates a new frozen image as separate clip on your timeline. Well, another quick method is to use the Export Frame button. That's the small camera icon under the preview monitor. Click it and name your image and save it as JPG or PNG. Then just import that image back into your project and place it on the timeline where you want to freeze frame to appear. And that's how you have learned how to freeze and hold frame in Premiere Pro. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.